The reason you need lime applications is to correct the soil pH. Every lawn needs to have a soil test performed, and we do that free of charge as anyone that's in any of our programs. And what the soil test will do is it will determine where you are on a pH scale. A lot of times 7 is your optimal range, but anywhere in between 6.5 and 7.5 is actually pretty good. Well, oftentimes you'll see that your soil and your test results might come back, and you'll be like, "Wow, I'm a 4 on a pH scale." Well, your lawn isn't going to thrive and isn't going to be at its best if you're not putting it in the proper range to allow it to be able to do so. And you can only do that to correct your soil pH with lime applications. That will actually raise it, get it to the point where it's actually usable. Or in the events that it was high, we would use a calcium-based lime application, which is called Solucal, to actually lower it and balance it out. And that one is actually fast acting in the event that your soil was a little bit high. On average, and more often than not, it's going to be on the lower end, and we have to put at least 20 to 30 pounds of lime per 1,000 square feet. So I've heard people 1,000 times, homeowners, they'll say, well, hey, I got a bag or two and I put some lime out, and I'm pretty sure my pH is doing well. But they had no idea that, for the 2 bags that they put out, they really needed 10 bags, and that's oftentimes there's a lot of times that is the case, but we try to take the guesswork out of it by just testing your soil.